Welcome to Tips and Tricks for September 2024. This month we will learn how to set up multi-level inbound sources in UnForm 10.1.
Starting in 10.1, inbound sources are now multi-level. Previously, you would need an inbound source for every folder that you wanted to monitor. Well, now you can have multiple subfolders being monitored underneath one inbound source. For example, on the screen, we've got an inbound training directory with multiple subfolders. So this could be your pick tickets for warehouses 1, 2, and 3, your AP invoices for company 1, 2, and 3, or branch 1, 2, and 3. The setup for inbound sources does not change. You still only have one inbound source folder. What we do have new is a new metadata value called path. So previously we only had the metadata for source. Well, now we have a new meta called path that gives you the full path of the inbound source. And an example of using that is parsing that path to get to the subfolder, for instance, O1. And we can use that value in conditionals across the job template. Or let's say we want to assign a specific library using that value, or use that value in a category. If we look at the job template and using that, previously we had the meta source, and now we have the meta path. And then here's an example of parsing that meta path to get to looking at forward slashes and getting the value of the third delimiter, or whatever delimiter is needed to get to your subfolder name.
Thank you, Brian. If you have any questions or suggestions, please email to dan.s@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks, thank you. See you next month.